Today's news headline is Trump rushed to safety and suspect held after man spotted with rifle. Former President Donald Trump is safe following an apparent assassination attempt at his Florida golf course. And a potential suspect is in custody, US authorities have confirmed. Secret Service agents spotted at the barrel of a rifle poking through some bushes and opened fire at him, officials said. The FBI said Trump was 300 to 500 yards, 275 to 455 meters away at the time. An AK-47 style, the fireman and a scope along with two backpacks and a GoPro camera were later found at the scene. A witness reported seeing the suspect running from some bushes and jumping into a black Nissan car after the agents had fired at him multiple times. The witness took a picture of the vehicle and a number plate and it was stopped later in Martin County, north of the club. We got a hold of Martin County Sheriff's Office, alerted them, and they spotted the vehicle and pulled it over and detained the guy, said Sheriff Rick Bradshaw of Palm Beach County. After that, we took the witness that witnessed the incident, flew him up there and he identified as the person that he saw running out of the bushes that jumped into the car, the sheriff told a news briefing. In an email to his supporters, Trump said he was safe and well. Nothing will slow me down. He wrote, I will never surrender. The incident comes almost exactly 2 months after a gunman attempted to assassinate Trump at a rally in Butler, Pennsylvania, striking his ear. The Secret Service confirmed in a post on X that they were investigating a protective incident involving Trump that took place shortly before 2 EST and 7 BST on Sunday. Later, Sheriff Bradshaw said that the Secret Service agent that was on the course did a fantastic job. He added, what they do is they have an agent that jumps one hole ahead of time to do where the president was at the end. He was able to spot the rifle barrel sticking out of the fence and immediately engage that individual, at which time the individual took off. There is now a heavy security presence on the roads and in the water around the former President Mar-a-Lago property in Florida and his nearby golf course at West Palm Beach. U.S. media, citing unnamed law enforcement officials, have named the suspect as Ryan Wesley Ruth, 58 of Hawaii. BBC Verify has found social media profiles matching that name. They indicate that Ruth called for foreign fighters to go to Ukraine to battle against Russian forces. Ruth was chained and convicted of numerous offenses in Guilford County, North Carolina between 2002 and 2010, according to a law enforcement source who spoke to the BBC's US partner and CBS News. The offenses included carrying a concealed weapon, resisting arrest, hit-and-run motor vehicle, driving with a revoked license, and possession of stolen property. The White House said President Joe Biden and Vice President Kamala Harris had been briefed about the golf course incident. I am relieved that the former president is unharmed, Biden said in a statement. Harris is in a tight race against Trump in the presidential election. The 5 November vote is expected to hang on the results in a few key swing states. Harris issued a statement saying, I am deeply disturbed by the possible assassination attempt of former President Trump today. As we gather the facts, I'll be clear, I condemn political violence. We all must do our part to ensure that this incident does not lead to more violence. She also said, I am thankful that former President Trump is safe and praised the U.S. Secret Service and police for the vigilance. Trump was injured while addressing a crowd in Butler, Pennsylvania on 13 July when a gunman, Thomas Matthew Crooks, fired at him with an AR-15 style rifle from the roof of a nearby building. The shooting left one audience member dead, while Crooks, 20, was just killed at the scene by a Secret Service sniper. The Secret Service faced intense scrutiny over how the shooter from Bethel Park, Pennsylvania, was able to open fire on the former president. The director of the agency, Kimberly Cheadle, resigned within 2 weeks of the incident. If you like my videos, please do like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please support me.